The recent scientific revolution removed humanity from the center of the universe. We once were the fixed point around which the sun moved. Now we are one planet among 8 on the edge of a galaxy in the middle of nowhere, just witnesses to a great cosmic blah. But McKenna has a theory. Something fell from the sky. Terence McKenna has a theory. This idea of attractors, that rather than the past and wave of causality pushing forward into the future, this concept that there may be an attractor in front that draws things towards it. And in this theory, he says that that puts humanity back at the center of the universe. In that, if there is a great attractor in our universe that is drawing towards novelty, towards complexity, I know the second law of thermodynamics is that entropy is always increasing, which, all right, I'll take it. But look around. I mean, the universe started as plasma. It became chunks. It became planets. It became stars that birthed heavier elements that became other stars that birthed more complex elements that birthed organic matter and the earth and animals and people and now machines. So there is, at least at the time being, an increase in novelty, an increase in complexity. And his theory is that there may be something that's attracting everything to that. And if that is the case, then humanity is the tip of that spear. We are the most complex thing around. We are everything biology has, plus philosophy, politics, society, culture. And even if we aren't the very end, but somehow there's something more advanced somewhere else, at least within our local sphere, we're definitely the most advanced thing around. Unless you believe the conspiracies that there's aliens living on the moon. There you go. So that just, it hits me. It's a very different idea, conceiving of humanity as the foremost, as the center of the universe again, as the group of people leading the charge towards this new level of novelty, whatever will become next. There was ants, then monkeys, then people, then what? Let's ride that wave. Let's be at the front of it. And so even if that's just a psychological exercise, it is very interesting to consider yourself at one point a little dot in the middle of nowhere that means nothing, and in another way, the center of everything that is. It does threaten to influence your actions, influence your perception of other people and our mission on this earth. That's all I was thinking about.